Hey, what's going on everyone? Today's video is show you guys how to use the dual audio mode for Samsung Galaxy phones that got the Android 10 update, or if you have the Samsung S20, S20 Plus, S20 Ultra. Let's go ahead and do this. So we're going to pair up a Sony Bluetooth speaker with a LG Tone headset. So two different, completely different brands and devices. And just to show you guys how flexible this thing really is. So there's going to be a few glitches here and there, but just give it a few extra tries and you should break through. So first things first, down here in the drop down menu, you will notice that it says media and devices, or just media devices right here. If you don't see that, you want to go ahead and enable that. And to do that, we'll bring down this drop down menu until you see the three dots up here. We're going to go there. We'll go to where it says quick panel layout and make sure that's turned on. So mine's on already. So just go ahead, turn yours on and just press done. And when you do that, you'll notice that it's now showing. So that's the first step. And we're going to need where it says media to get the dual audio mode after you pair the two devices. So next up, we're going to pair up the two devices. We'll long press the Bluetooth settings and then we'll turn that on. And then next up, we're going to pair up one of the devices. We'll start with the Sony speaker. So for the Sony speaker, we're going to long press here. All right, so this is pairing mode. You will see the device under available devices. Go ahead and tap that one time. And of course, if it doesn't show up, just try it again. And that's what I meant by glitches. Sometimes it doesn't work right away, but it does work. All right, so the speaker is now paired. Next up, we're gonna go ahead and pair up the LG headset. So just turn that on. Just wait for that to go into pairing mode. That usually goes into pairing mode automatically. Just give it like 5 or 6 seconds or so. And then we're going to scan here again. We'll see the LG headset. We'll tap on pairing. Tap it to pair. And it's now connected. So you'll notice that the one to the top is the current device that has the audio going through it. Now, if it's the first time connecting this device or two devices at the same time, you might get that prompt that appears here that says go to media and then enable the two audio mode. And I do apologize for that rooster, but I just cannot stop it no matter what's going on here. So with that said and done, now we're going to use that drop down menu again if you don't see the prompt, and we'll go to media. This is where we're going to go to. So we'll go here. And then you'll see now the audio output. So the audio output basically is the dual audio mode. It's actually a more, you get more control over what you're doing with the update. So you'll see LG is now highlighted and selected. That means the only device that has audio coming out from it is the LG headset. And then I'm going to tap on the SRS XB12. You'll notice two volumes show up here. And plus now they're both with the volume slider with the Bluetooth icon, which means they're both connected. Now with here, you can actually adjust the volume for either of them. So one can be lower than the other, or one can be louder than the other. And then with the volume marker on your phone device, you can bring up the both of them together. Now, if your device itself has volume controls, so for example, my speaker here, I'm gonna bring it down a little bit. You'll notice that the speaker is gonna go down or up. So again, it depends on the device that you're using. Now, next up, I'm going to let you guys hear it. I'll bring down the volume first before it gets too loud so you can actually see that it works for yourself. So we're going to go to YouTube and play this song here. All right, so I'm going to bring up the speaker. Speaker. All right, that was the speaker. I'm gonna bring that down. And then the headset, I'll max that out so you can hear it. Okay, hopefully you're getting that. Okay, so that was the headset. And again, remember, you can bring up the volume for both of them together using the controllers or the device itself. So hopefully this guide was helpful, and if it did help you in any way possible, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!